In this video, we are going to see how to create a table with the given data. The first way to do is, in the Home tab, you go to Styles. In the Styles, you have Format as Table. Click on it and select any of these styles. So it will ask where the data is where the data is. Select the data, and also if your table is having headers, select My Table has headers and click on OK. So this will create a table for you. I'm doing Control Z. The second method to create the same is, you go to Insert tab. In the Insert tab, in the first part where Tables is there, click on Table. Repeat the same thing. Select the data and click on OK. As of now, I am cancelling this. Then the third way is to select the data. You will see a quick analysis at the bottom right side. Click on it. It will give you various options. In that, you see tables, and here click on table and it will create the table for us. And the last way is to select the data and then use a keyboard shortcut Control T. This will again ask you create table, where is the data. So data we have already selected and My Table has headers. Click on that option and click OK. So the table is created for us. Now what are the various things we see? The first thing we see is a menu has come up, which is table design. And in table design, at the start in properties, if you see, you have a table name, which is table 2. You can change the name, say My Table. Then second thing we can do is, we can go to table style options. In that, we have banded rows. You remove that. Instead of that, you can also have banded columns. So as of now, we are going with banded rows only. The third thing which you can see is that the header, the top row of the table, has a filter button. You can remove it by clicking on filter button, but by default it comes when we create the table. Then we can add rows related to total. So it will give you a total also. We can calculate it for different columns. As of now, I am removing it. So these are the things which you see when a table is created. So these are some of the features which you will find, which are when a data is converted into a table. Now another thing where we can use this is that if we want for the aesthetic visualization sense, want to have rows or columns, one row colored, another row white, and so on and so forth. If we want that type of option, which is we will have to do it singly for all the rows, give it color, then select the next row and do such things. What we can do is, we can take the data, create a table, and then when this table design comes up, then select whichever thing which you want. Say I'm liking this one, and after that, now I don't need it in a table form, say. Then what we can do is, we can go to table design, tools, and in tools you see convert to range. So when you click on convert to range, it will ask you that, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Click on yes. Now this is no longer a table, it is just the data which has a color form which we wanted. So this is a simple or a fast way for creating alternate rows colored and so on and so forth. We'll have another video where the other features for which the table form can be used, and those features will better explain why we convert a data into a table form. What more powerful features does it give? So that will be discussed in some other video. I hope creating a table and the basic things which you have is clear to you, plus this simple way of creating banded alternate rows or columns, which I have discussed at the end of the video, gives you a nice way to create this type of data. Thank you.